Tuesday, November 3rd, 2026. Following the cancellation of the U.S. midterm elections, the nation fractures. Civil war ignites across America. Cities burn, communities collapse. Federal law enforcement and the National Guard flood the streets in a desperate attempt to contain the chaos. But the violence spreads faster than control can follow. Tens of thousands lie dead or wounded. The country bleeds from within. And then, as the United States staggers under a weakened and unstable state of emergency, the unthinkable happens. U.S. troops land in Greenland. The invasion sends shockwaves across the globe. Alliances shatter. Red lines are crossed. World War III has begun. Nuclear weapons are launched. Billions perish worldwide. The electrical grid collapses. Food and clean water vanish. Global transportation disintegrates. Disease and pestilence spread unchecked. It sounds like the plot of the latest apocalyptic blockbuster, or another episode of The Y-Files. But history tells a darker story. Sir John Bagot Glubb, 1897 to 1987, in his 1978 work The Fate of Empires, observed that great civilizations tend to last roughly 250 years before collapsing, a pattern echoed again and again across history. Empires rise, empires rot, empires fall. Every great power believes it's different, until it isn't. And if what we're seeing now is any sign of what's coming next, then the collapse has already begun. Are you ready? Okay, enough with the doom and gloom. Now for some pleasant news. We added a little music to this video because absolute technical dominance sounds better with a steady beat. We're Iron Core. We provide heavy-duty, transformer-based power inverters with massive surge capacity, long life, and real-world industrial engineering that are designed to weather the fiercest storms. Raw power, proven reliability, overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent. Because of its advanced toroidal transformer design, our iron core inverters offer a much longer, and far safer service life. Our 10 kW model offers a massive 30,000 watt surge capacity, and all of our low-frequency inverters provide galvanic isolation to protect your appliances from the damage that can be caused by inferior high-frequency designs. These advantages are derived from a fifth-generation military-grade, high-reliability form factor and advanced high-efficiency MPPT charge controller technology. Heavy-duty MOSFETs with oversized heat sinks, wave-soldered surface mount components throughout, and most importantly, massive toroidal iron core copper wound output transformers for a much higher surge capacity.
Concrete will, no surrender, no shutdown, standing still. Iron